Hey Max, look, you know that I've traded before in the past, and look, I just never really made that much money, and then I came across your software. I just simply followed the instructions, and now I'm actually making close to six figures every month. Because I knew cryptocurrency was the thing to be in right now, but I just never knew I could make this much money. Wow, it's amazing. So your system totally rocks. Thanks again.
Hi Max, I just wanted to say a huge thank you. So after going through the crypto formula, I have been able to quit my job and actually have time to spend with my family and do more things that I love. Thank you so much. This program has completely changed my life.
Crypto formula is the real deal. I made a 5,000% return this week. Before learning about crypto formula, I always just bought what I read about in the news. What I learned about the mainstream media is that they're always a few weeks late in the news about cryptocurrency, and the right information is found elsewhere. Since learning this, I've made $56,324 and counting.
Before I invested in crypto formula, I invested in cryptocurrency, but I never really had any idea what to do. I always sold whenever the price fell. Now I'm making money on a consistent basis every single month. Last month, I made $2,463 on a tiny investment of $350.
Congratulations! This is a private and confidential video that you've been personally invited to watch. This video isn't available to the general public. So if you're able to watch it, it means it's available in your country. So congratulations, you've been selected because your country qualifies. What you're about to discover is highly confidential and shockingly profitable. My Secret Formula exploits a cryptocurrency marketplace that is worth $700 billion. This is completely new and unseen, and it's 100% legal and ethical. So keep on watching this video until the end and listen out for the special announcement. If you don't watch this video to the end, you'll hate yourself later. Before we go any further, I need to prove to you I know how to make money. Lots of money. So let me show you my personal account. This is how much money I have made this month investing in cryptocurrency, all from the comfort of my home. I'm sharing my personal information with you so you can trust me when I say I know how to make money. I've discovered a new cryptocurrency profit loophole, which allows me to trade profitably. This is one of the secret strategies I use to make money. Cryptocurrency is set to change the world, bigger and better than the internet did 24 years ago. The question is, are you claiming your piece of the biggest investment opportunity of the century? Bitcoin, up over 1,000% in the past 12 months. Ethereum, up over 3,000% in 2017. Litecoin, up over 7,500% in the past 13 months. The new game-changing technology is here, and like early investors in Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, you have the potential to make massive life-changing gains. But Bitcoin is just the beginning. Cryptocurrencies are changing the way the world thinks about money, and the latest developments will make the dot-com boom look like child's play. Let me show you why cryptocurrency is changing the world beyond the invention of the smartphone, the internet, and the computer itself. In 1995, Newsweek made the prediction that the internet was going to fail, that it was a fad, that it was going nowhere. In 2000, after the dot-com bubble had burst, the mainstream media was singing the same old tune. But look where we are today. The internet is the technology of our age, affecting everything from communication to shopping to entertainment. You and I practically depend on it. Our whole lives have gone online. The skeptics were wrong. The smart early adopters who started online businesses or invested in internet companies are the real winners today. The skeptics, on the other hand, are the butt of jokes. Imagine if you bought $1,000 of Google shares in 2004. It would be worth $1,575,000 today. Or if you had invested $1,000 worth of shares in Microsoft in 1985, they would be worth $7,964,720 now. That opportunity has come and gone, but history has a way of repeating itself. Thousands have already gotten rich from Bitcoin. Early investors like Christopher Koch, Matthew Burrill, and James Speciacci have become millionaires from cryptocurrency investments. And you can with my secret formula. Make no mistake, cryptocurrency is the future of money. Until now, though, a lot of people have found it hard to invest in cryptocurrency. Everyone knows the potential that cryptocurrencies have, but either don't know how and where to start investing, are worried about security concerns, or don't know how to play smart plays. In a few short minutes, I'm going to put all of those concerns to rest. I'm going to show you how you can invest in cryptocurrency profitably, consistently, and with massive returns. I'm going to put all security concerns to rest, and I'm going to show you how you can get started today, even if you have no experience investing in cryptocurrency. Your age and where you're from doesn't matter either. My name is Max Eaton, the creator and founder of the Crypto Formula, a revolutionary new formula that takes all the confusion, smoke, and mirrors out of cryptocurrency investing. Crypto Formula is a method I developed for investing in cryptocurrencies that anybody can use. But first, let me tell you how it came about. Back in 2013, I was working as a software developer for a big company. Like any self-respecting geek, I spent a lot of time on Reddit, reading about new tech trends and other things like that. At this point in my life, I had no interest in investing whatsoever. But on the tech sites I visited, I kept hearing about this thing called Bitcoin. It was supposedly a new digital currency that was going to replace traditional money. At first, I didn't buy it. How could people transfer money and buy things without a financial institution? But being the tech geek I was, I delved into it. I studied the blockchain algorithm inside and out. I did everything I could to break it, but nothing worked. A realization hit me. Bitcoin was the real deal. I had never seen anything like it. It was flawlessly designed. It did everything it promised and more. But more than that, I discovered that there was a whole universe of similar currencies out there. Ethereum, Litecoin, Tezos, and literally dozens of others. I was fascinated. I got a wallet of my own and loaded it up with Bitcoins. This was when Bitcoin was still trading in the hundreds. During this time, my personal life was a mess. My wife and I were constantly fighting, and we were on the brink of divorce. She wanted to leave. I was begging her to stay. I knew eventually she was going to walk out. It was just a matter of time. It was the inevitable. My problems were affecting my life. My boss suspected something wasn't right, after one day arriving late to work for the 4th time in a week. Throughout, I kept a brave face and never once admitted to anyone there was something wrong. My colleagues were also suspicious. It wasn't like I could tell them anything. I was too embarrassed. What was there to say? My wife no longer wants to be with me? Heck no. I was an emotional wreck, and because of all this, I had totally forgotten I had invested in Bitcoins. During that time, Bitcoin prices were soaring through the roof. At one point, prices were trading higher than gold. Bitcoin was making headlines, and my life was going down the drain. Eventually, after months of misery, my wife Patricia of 7 years walked out the door. Apart from losing my grandmother, it was the saddest day of my life. I was devastated. I was hurt. I was shocked. I spent the rest of that week in bed. I called my boss and I told him I had a really bad flu. A week had passed and I plucked the courage to go back to work. As soon as I arrived, my boss asked me to step into his office. He sat me down on his chair. He started rambling on, saying my behavior had been odd over the past few weeks, and how my productivity had decreased, and I was letting the entire company down. He said as a result, he had no choice other than to let me go. I was gobsmacked. I could not believe it. After the ordeal I had just been through, this jackass was firing me. I totally freaked out. I told him to shove the lousy job up his ass. Then I stomped out. Apart from losing my grandmother and my wife walking out on me, that was the second saddest day of my life. That night my mind was racing. In the space of 1 week, My whole life had turned upside down. Feeling depressed, I cracked open a bottle of Heineken and sat on the couch. Then I started thinking. Then it came to me. Just like that. Bitcoins, I said out loud. Hold on a minute. Didn't I invest in some coins? Yes, I did. Where are those coins? I kept saying out loud. Right there and then, I got up from the couch, went to my bedroom, grabbed the MacBook, and logged online. Holy smokes. What I saw next was incredible. Those Bitcoins I had invested in for $400 had gone up in price. My initial investment had turned to over $10,000. Sure, it wasn't Wall Street money, but it was enough for me to sell some of those coins, cover my bills for the next few months, and reinvest the rest. Right there and then, I was hooked. You can imagine the money I've made since then. Bitcoin was a transformative financial event in my life, enabling me to live off the proceeds of my investment. But it did more than that. You see, the more my Bitcoins gained, the more I wanted to tell people about this exciting new world of cryptocurrency. But I quickly realized that it was Greek to most people. I tell people about Bitcoin and they say things like, "Oh yeah, I've heard of that. I'd like to invest, but I have no idea how to buy it." Or, "Yeah, I've heard about that, but is it safe?" Well, I wanted to put these concerns to rest. My background as a software developer helped me to understand how cryptocurrencies are mined, using complex mathematical formulas. How the blockchain system operates using the elliptical curve digital signature algorithm. Because of this, I knew I was able to take the mystery and confusion out of cryptocurrency and convert it into a simple, easy-to-follow program that even a freshman high school kid could understand. And that's exactly what I did. I developed a simple method that would allow regular people to invest in cryptocurrency safely, easily, quickly, and even if they had no prior experience investing in cryptocurrencies. And I couldn't have picked a better time to do it, because cryptocurrency is on fire right now. Here's just a quick look at the kinds of returns that some of my followers have achieved trading in cryptocurrency using my methods. A 750% gain in 12 days. A 623% gain in 4 weeks. A 2,200% gain in 55 days. A 1,622% gain in 5 weeks. This isn't a best-case scenario. These are the kinds of returns regular investors are seeing every day. These results are nothing compared to the explosive profits that some of the best performers achieved in this market. If you would have invested in these coins when they came out, NXT, plus 518,832%. IOTA, plus 145,980%. Ethereum, plus 96,560%. And the list goes on and on. What I'm about to show you isn't a best-case hypothetical situation that never happens in real life. All the stats I mentioned to you are 100% obtainable, achievable, and completely real. There's just one catch. You must move fast. Because like the internet boom of yesteryear, the cryptocurrency millionaires of tomorrow will be the folks who got in early. The good news is that cryptocurrency is still in a relatively early stage of development. But as the dot-com bubble shows, there is a time limit. If you get in now, using the methods I've created, you will make lots of money. Take a look at this chart. This is a pattern for consumer mass adoption for any new technology. This theory was first observed in 1962 by Everett Rogers. It shows first people to adopt a trend are usually innovators. Then the early adopters jump on board. Often these are guys who move fast enough and ultimately end up becoming millionaires. Just think about Google, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and other big internet companies today. The guys who invested in these tech giants weren't smarter than everyone else, and they also didn't invent anything. They simply got on the trend before everyone else. When these companies were selling for just a few dollars a share, that's exactly what's going on with cryptocurrencies right now. This is why you must move fast. You could triple, quadruple, or even 10 times your money. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter whether you have never invested before or you have no trading experience at all. It doesn't even matter if you don't have a lot of money. In fact, you can start investing in cryptocurrency today for as little as $10. Even a $1 investment in Bitcoin back in 2009 would leave you with $14,000 today. Every day there are new cryptocurrencies being created that have just as much room to grow now as Bitcoin had back then. All you need is a framework for making the right cryptocurrency investments, picking the right coins, knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell, if ever. And that's exactly what you will get with Crypto Formula. Crypto Formula is a complete, from-the-ground-up system smartly designed to guide you on how to invest profitably in cryptocurrency. I'm pulling out all the stops here, giving you everything I have learned from my 5 years' experience of investing in cryptocurrency. And in the world of cryptocurrency, 5 years is a long, long time. This system lets you start as a complete newbie and quickly learn the skills you need to trade cryptocurrency confidently and profitably. I designed this program with novice traders in mind. When I was first learning about cryptocurrencies, I learned 2 things. 1, everybody wanted to get in on it. And 2, almost nobody knew how to buy Bitcoins. So I set out to create a system that covers all the basics, along with the advanced, next-level principles that all cryptocurrency millionaires followed. I'm not talking about the hundreds of people who got rich by accident. I'm talking about veteran crypto players who follow these principles for trading cryptocurrencies consistently and profitably. I give you the tools that these crypto kingpins use to make their trading decisions. Honestly, with the crypto market as hot as it is right now, you could get rich buying just about anything. But the genius of Crypto Formula is that it empowers you to get returns that exceed even when it's the norm in crypto land. I have traders following my method who are earning returns of 100%, 200%, even sometimes as much as 1,000% in a single month. And that's just the beginning. Crypto Formula lets you bank on massive gains currently being seen in cryptocurrency without feeling like you don't know enough to trade. Most people trading with me are regular people who have never invested in stocks or funds, let alone cryptocurrencies. And the results speak for themselves. Just check out what these participants had to say about their experience.
Gosh, Max, I just heard that I'm one of your top earners. Really, wow, that's incredible. Yup, like I don't like boasting, but yeah, what you've taught me, Max, is making me over 7 figures every month. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, right? Thanks again, dude.
Hi, Dan here. I joined the beta tester 3 months back now. It's just crazy, I'm already a crypto millionaire. I've made since then $1,278,712 in pure profit using the Crypto Formula system. Totally changed my life. Thanks, Max. You the best.
Before I invested with Max and Crypto Formula, I had no idea how to even buy a Bitcoin, and now I am making a lot of money in. As my initial investment went from $900 to almost $37,000 within a month, and it's still growing.
And these aren't uncommon results either. As I've already said, massive profits are the norm in crypto land. And if you don't believe me, try this experiment right now. First, go to Google. Second, type Bitcoin Return 2017 or Litecoin Return 2017. And third, pick your jaw up off the ground as you see that yes indeed, cryptocurrencies have been gaining thousands of percentage points each year. Just look at these numbers. Bitcoin, up 1,300% in 2017. Ethereum, up over 3,000% in the past 12 months. Litecoin, up over 7,500% in the past year. All of these results can be confirmed by a quick Google search. And with Crypto Formula, you will learn how to do even better by picking the right coin at the right time, every time. I have already tested the system with over 100 beta testers, regular people like post office workers and teachers. Every single one of them made consistent money. You can profit trading cryptocurrency, and Crypto Formula will get you there. Here's just a quick preview of what you're going to learn inside Cryptocurrency Formula. You will learn how to acquire your first Bitcoin, how to mine it, how to trade or invest it, and so much more. I have broken it down into 10 easy, simple selections. My easy-to-use system will reveal my secret methods. This is just a short preview of what you'll know after downloading the cryptocurrency formula. Okay, are you ready to get a copy of the crypto formula so you can start making insane profits like these? In order to start making profits like you've seen from some of my students, you must first secure your copy right now, as we have very limited spots available in your country. Yes, first come, first serve. If the Add to Cart button is still displayed, it means you still might get the chance to have a copy. Don't hang around and be the one that missed yet another profit-booming money boat. This is the same formula I have used for the last 5 years to get paid and make huge amounts of profits. You are so close to getting a slice of a $700 billion money pie. But I need to warn you, my team of tech guys are keeping a close eye on how many signups we get. If I feel by any means that too many people are using the site and there is a chance it could affect my own profits within the system, then I will take down both the video and the site forever. I reserve the right to do so. Sorry, there is no question. So don't waste time. Follow the instructions on the video right away. Remember, my secret formula is extremely easy to use. Everything is outlined step by step. So what are you still doing here? Go ahead and download my risk-free cryptocurrency formula now and start making profits today. That's right. Now, I have a special announcement to make. Just today, I'm giving away a massive discount if you claim your copy today. We're taking a whopping discount off the price just for you only. My crypto formula system is worth $1,997. After you buy a copy of your crypto formula, you'll automatically get a 60-day risk-free trial. If in the next 60 days you want your money back for any reason, you will get every last penny back, no questions asked. That's guaranteed. I'm 100% confident that you can make money with this. To access my cryptocurrency profit loophole right now, all you need to do is make a small investment today. Not $1,997, not $997, not $597, not even $97. Just $37 to gain access to my secret crypto formula program. Your investment is completely protected under our rock-solid, ironclad, no-strings-attached money-back guarantee. Feel free to test out the crypto formula for as long as you want. Try out some trades based on the system. See how much money you can make trading Bitcoin with the crypto formula. If you're not completely satisfied, just contact me at max@cryptoformula.co and we'll refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. And if that weren't enough, I'll sweeten the pot with 5 fast action bonuses for those who act now. It costs over $3,500 to record, edit, and produce these bonuses and maintain the private Facebook group. And those are just freebies we're going to give you on top of the crypto formula system itself. Remember, this is a one-of-a-kind system that reveals the secrets behind the modern-day crypto boom. That is 100,000 times bigger than the tech boom that ended in the 90s. That is why it's valued at more than a few $1,000s when you take into account what we would normally charge our students. The bonuses alone make this a ridiculously cheap, once-in-a-lifetime offer. But this might not be available tomorrow, which is why you need to click the button below to get access now. Don't wait another minute. Get the crypto formula today. You have nothing to lose and massive, market-busting profits to gain. Don't let someone else take your spot and get this secret formula before you. Spots are going very fast. This is your chance to become yet another success story of ours, instead of watching by on the sidelines as more and more crypto millionaires are created each day. The crypto formula is your chance to pass something on to your children besides stress. It's your chance to become a boss instead of working for one. It's your chance to finally see those market-topping gains you read about in the news. If you act now, your total investment is just the one-time, discounted 100% refundable amount you see on the page right now. So what are you waiting for? Approval from the clueless media? A few more billionaires to buy in? Your friends and neighbors to go early retirement while you're scraping your old school trades together? Don't count on it. Due to high demand for this secret formula, I can't wait around for you to make a decision. You need to make a decision right now to take action and get your copy of the crypto formula today. Remember, this is a completely risk-free investment. So why wait? Why even think about it? This is a no-brainer. Sign up right now and get the formula you need to start making profits today. Don't wait a minute longer. People like you have already lost access by waiting too long, and my tech team will not let them back in. It's so simple. It only takes 60 seconds to sign up. Claim your piece of the cryptocurrency boom that's happening right before your eyes. Cryptocurrency is your ticket to financial freedom, and the crypto formula is your guide to navigating, understanding, and profitably trading cryptocurrency. Click the button below to get instant access now. P.S. Hurry! The window of opportunity is closing fast. Once 35 spots are taken, I may remove this offer from the internet forever. Spots are filling up fast, so claim yours right now. Remember, your risk-free investment is covered under our unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee, and you're free to test it out until 60 days are up. You have nothing to lose and huge gains to make.